British Street is crazy at 4 a.m. at night. This is an insane place which looks very different in the evening at 7 p.m. Bars and terraces packed up with groups and tourist music all way long. But this is how it starts. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and welcome back to a brand new video from the famous British Street, aka the Girona Street in Benidorm town. We are on the British Street. It is evening time. The sun's about to set down in a little bit of time. It is evening. It is Friday night. And this means only one thing. This is about to be a wild night in Benidorm. Meanwhile, all the terraces of a nearby bars, such as the jumping jacks, are packed of people enjoying last rays of sunshine. There are some shows and entertainment already planned for this evening, and many places do several shows at night. Here we have karaoke, by the way. We have different types of performances, just in general, some music. People are enjoying the best time on the terrace. It is sunny, it is nice, it is warm, and hey, it is Friday night, it is weekend, which means that people are having a wonderful, wonderful time here in Benidorm. And Jumping Jacks has an incredible outdoor terrace, which is really big. Right in front of it, we have the $1 million disco pub. Also quite packed today. Quite a lot of people. They have some nice offers. Cocktails. These are delicious. There's Snickers, there's Bounty, there's a lot of other cocktails. Ooh, incredible flavors. Quite a few people on the terrace. Many people on the street, although not as many as what we will be witnessing shortly in just a few hours' time. Trust me. Today we have two parts of the video. This first one is at 7 p.m. and the other one is going to be after midnight. You'll see what a giant shift will be happening here on the British Street. A lot of people are grabbing some dinner. There's still people at the Yorkshire Pride. There's still people everywhere you go. Rovers Return, Planet Benidorm. People are grabbing some snacks.
Thank you. Good day.
There are so many people here about and around. There are some subscribers of ours here too on their holidays, enjoying some gorgeous weather. Andy's Simply the Best Sports Bar, busy as always, non-stop working. They have very good service. It's a very friendly staff, and overall prices are really competitive, which is why people love it so much. And you can see that on the terrace there's literally one free table. That is it. All the rest are busy with tourists enjoying a gorgeous evening. Tiki City has a whole party going on out there. Look at that. This is a very healthy place to be as well. It's a very nice bar. People are always dancing. There's some music and just having a great time. There's live music here too, by the way. A lot of the times there's TV screens with some sports, and it's just a great atmosphere. People are having a blast. That's what the holiday is all about. Have a great time, enjoy, have a dance if you wish on the terrace. Who cares? Just have a lovely time here. Be careful, obviously, yes, but people are having a very good time here in Benidorm. And it shows. Right nearby, we have the railway. Quite a nice place as well. They changed the balloons. They changed the colors. Look at that. Now it looks like bees. It's like yellow and black. They've changed it. It was red, white, and blue not so long ago. Place that a lot of people actually love to visit nowadays. It is quite popular, not gonna lie. Jet2 Holidays bus passing by right now, bringing people here and picking tourists up. Broadway already turned the screens on. It's not busy yet. There's just a few people inside, but it's usually busy towards night time. Let's say it like this. At night, it's going to be all packed up to the top. It's going to be all packed up. Queen's Arms Sports Bar. They have a karaoke competition here, by the way. Quite busy. The Rockies pub as well. Overall, it's like a summer season here on the British Street. Not gonna lie, we're quite surprised, but this is This is like a particular summer for a lot of international tourists. I get it. It's still a perfect weather. It is not as busy in other parts of the city, and you can enjoy for less money. That is just a perfect place and time to be in Benidorm town. Gorgeous atmosphere. People are still coming in groups like stag parties, hen-dos, in general, like celebration groups that have something to celebrate, even though it's just life, health, family, whatever it is, friends. Everything is a good purpose for the celebration. Quite a lot of people here everywhere, and the more we go to the most popular places such as the Hotel California, the Western Saloon, the more we get surprised on what the atmosphere is actually like here right now in October. Some people are afraid it's gonna be empty. Well, look at that. It's an incredible time to travel. People are grabbing cocktails of different kinds, sangrias, beer buckets, just regular drinks without alcohol, some lovely music, some good atmosphere because you're with friends, your loved ones, family, or by yourself. Why not? A lot of people actually prefer it as well. You have all the services here nearby: shows, tributes, entertainment, music, clubs, pubs, beach, excursions. Everything is here available for you, which is why people love this place so much. Cannot blame them. It's actually a great place for the holiday. Nearby bars have quite a lot of people grabbing some nice meals and snacks. The Wild Duck is also quite busy with people enjoying a great evening in Benidorm. I'm sure quite a lot of people check out these videos afterwards and have a great memory. They save it up, maybe even download of a visual memory of their holidays here in Benidorm town. John and Joseph's will love this place. Overall, look at that, it's packed up, even on the inside. Great place, really super speed service. Food is delicious, it's nicely priced, so it's just a place that we'll love. We'll love their sandwich, we'll love their food. Really good, honestly, and it's really recommended to try it out if you're here on holidays. There's a lot of people, there's a lot of mobility scooters. First thing that we notice, back again, surprise. And there's quite a lot of people who are probably departing, waiting for the Jet2 holidays or maybe Benny Connect bus to bring them back to the airport. This is one of the main stops, by the way, here on the British street. But what exactly is happening at night? Welcome to the night Benidorm. As you can see, the atmosphere is totally different from what we've just seen in Benidorm this evening. The neon lights, flashy lights, so many people about and around, people with colorful outfits. It looks like a fancy dress, like a mini fancy dress party. This is an absolutely different atmosphere from the one we used to see here on the British street. The main difference, colorful neon lights, way more people on the streets and in the nearby businesses. Such a vivid atmosphere on the Friday night. Even right now in October, the terraces, even of hotels, are busy with tourists. The Philippines 10 with around 6 or maybe more even daily shows always surprises the visitors that have giant amount of options where to choose from. The surprise attack with homemade cocktails, drinks, snacks, and some music gathers all those who want not as fancy party atmosphere, let's say it like this, who don't want to be in a nightclub but still wants to enjoy the evening outside with some music. Same with the Outback, quite a popular bar that gathers very nice type of clients that just want to enjoy some music, want to enjoy mostly chit chats, conversations. There is a karaoke going on at the same time for those who do want to sing and have slightly more fun. The Crown and a lot of other pubs out here packed up with people. Look at this, just gonna make you like a circle. Insomnia nightclub. Look at that, even on the street there's people walking everywhere. And then the Crown pub, exactly the same thing. There's people walking even on the street where cars usually go. This is a typical situation that we see, but usually it's typical for the summer, not for right now when it's October month. Hotel California, busy to the top, absolutely busy to the top place. Bucket offers for 12 euros, that's not bad at all. This is one of the cheaper offers actually. Obviously near the Western Saloon. Oh, this amount of people is incredible. There are some places in Benidorm that are just so beloved by others. So beloved by tourists that, yeah, there's so many people. People are even standing on the outside with drinks because there is no space on the inside. Wow. There is some mobility scooters about and around. Cars have it difficult to pass. Actually, I need to be really careful because there are so many people on the street. And sometimes people, especially if they have too many drinks, are not careful with cars. So you need to be double, triple careful if you walk or if you drive, especially on this area. The Wild Duck Pub, as usual, really busy. They have giant TV screens, they have music, they have nice offers for drinks. It's a good atmosphere of a pub. Hence, people just go here. John and Joseph's exactly as packed as it was in the evening. Nothing has changed. It's as busy as it was. Ooh, someone had an issue with their vehicle, probably. It's not because it is parked wrong. Usually this happens. Or maybe. No, they're parked right. Usually this happens when something's wrong with the vehicle and they need help. Taxis available right here in the area. Usually that's where the taxis stop, but normally you would have to ask the establishment to call you for a taxi because there's usually never ever taxis just standing here unless it's like past nighttime. Ooh, some more celebrations happening out here. Very busy, very vivid, very loud, a lot of music, a lot of neon lights, a lot of happy people having a gorgeous Friday night. And shortly we'll go inside of the nightclubs to see what's the atmosphere looking like inside of some of the most popular places where people go for some nice dancing. This is inside of the Insomnia nightclub. They'll have some shows in about 10 minutes, but you can see how packed it is from the inside. They also have live music and performances and entertainment, but people love absolutely this place. It's one of the most popular ones for a nice night of dancing. A proper nightclub, if you wish. Very good atmosphere. Overall, very nice place to be. Ooh. Very nice place to be. People are having a blast in this place. And usually the DJ is combined with some live music, which makes it even a better vibe in Insomnia. Right nearby, we have the Red Lion. And here, there are some special performances happening. You can only see it here, literally, on this street. That's where you'll see it. This is how busy it is. There is Broadway as well nearby. All these packed up absolutely places with dancers. Go-go dancers are a thing. Even now in October, there's a lot of ladies here dancing and just making the atmosphere of the place as per se. So many people everywhere we've gone. Everywhere. This is, by the way, the Western Saloon. People cannot even walk past. That's how packed it is. Incredible place, especially on the indoors. This is one of the best entertainment places we've seen in a whole entire Benidorm. No wonder that it gathers so many people. Live shows, performances, live music, and live voice. This gathers a lot of people. And this is Benidorm from 7 p.m. till 4 a.m. in the morning. Incredible place where to be and have a night out. Thank you for accompanying us.